Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Valorant with controller on PC. You need a compatible controller like Xbox, PlayStation, or generic USB. Updated Windows and controller drivers and Valorant installed via Riot Client are also needed. You also need a key mapping tool like DS4 Windows or ReBIBASD for PlayStation controllers. To set it up, connect your controller to the PC via USB or Bluetooth. Now, launch Valorant and ensure your system detects the controller. If it does not work automatically, use DS4 Windows or ReBIBASD to map controls. Then, adjust in-game sensitivity and aim settings for smoother performance. Valorant does not have native controller aim assist. It is designed for keyboard and mouse. Some menus may still require mouse input. Using controller in ranked matches can put you at a disadvantage due to precision limits. Always keep your drivers and mapping software updated for best performance. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.